everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a premium upcoming residential project in North Bangalore called Godrej Aveline, which is located at Yelahanka on Airport Road. In this video, we will cover project overview, location and connectivity, amenities and lifestyle, pricing and configuration, booking process and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Godrej Aveline is a premium residential development and this project is spread across approximately 10.1 acre with around 814 thoughtfully planned residences. The project features total 9 high-rise towers with an elevation of ground plus 15 floors and offers spacious luxury apartment designed for modern urban living. And one of the biggest highlight of this project is its beautiful Dutch-inspired architecture designed by internationally renowned UHA London. This project comes with a premium high-rise tower with a modern elevation, and this project offers 30,000 square feet grand clubhouse, 33,000 square feet retail boulevard and large landscape open spaces, spacious and efficient layout, and overall the project offers a really nice balance of global design aesthetic and modern lifestyle living. Talking about the location and connectivity, so Godrej Aveline is strategically located in Yelahanka Airport Road, which is one of the fastest growing real estate corridor in North Bangalore. Connectivity wise, the main road access is approximately 10 minutes away. Bangalore Cross Metro, which is upcoming, is approx 3 minutes away. Yelahanka Metro Station is approximately 5 minutes away, and Kempegowda International Airport is approximately 20 minutes away. So whether you're looking to buy for self-use or investment, the location works really well from both perspectives. Talking about the amenities and lifestyle, so the project offers 58 plus lifestyle amenities and which are designed for comfort, wellness and convenience. The project offers grand clubhouse, rooftop swimming pool, yoga and dance studio, spa and steam rooms, co-working lounge. It's basically designed as a complete lifestyle ecosystem where most daily convenience and leisure activities are available within the community itself. Talking about the pricing and configuration, so the project offers multiple configurations like 2 and 2.5 BHK apartment starting with a carpet area of 1,288 square feet to 1,663 square feet, price starting from 2.24 crore rupees onwards. The 3 BHK premium with a carpet area starting from 1,600 square feet, price starting from 2.70 crore rupees onwards. 3 BHK Lux with a carpet area starting from 1900 square feet, price starting from 3.22 crore rupees onwards. 3.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 2150 square feet, price starting from 3.58 crore rupees onwards, and the 4.5 BHK apartment with a carpet area starting from 2500 square feet and the price starting from 4.26 crore rupees onwards. The approximately pricing is around 16,000 rupees per square feet plus additional charges, and there is also a special 1% payment plan available which makes the payment structure more flexible for buyers. The homes come with a spacious layout, premium fittings and smart space planning. Talking about the booking process, so the bookings are currently open for interested buyers, and in North Bangalore, finding a project that offers strong connectivity, design-focused architecture and a luxury amenities all together is quite rare, which makes Godrej Aveline a strong option for both home buyers and investors. For brochure, pricing details, payment plans or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium real estate projects, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with a developer for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.